Hi everyone, this is Miss A, and today we have a new letter to study. The letter J. Letter J. Can you say the name of the letter again? Good job. So the letter J makes the sound J. J. Can you try making the sound of the letter J? J. Good job. So here are some words that begin with the letter J. I want you to repeat after me. J. Jam. J. Jam. Your turn. J. Jelly. J. Jelly. Your turn. J. Juice. J. Juice. Your turn. J. Jaguar. J. Jaguar. Your turn. And last one, we have J. Jacket. J. Jacket. Now, I want you to think of other words that begin with the letter J. Now it's time to learn how to write the uppercase and the lowercase letter J. Let us now write our letter J, the uppercase J. For writing the uppercase J, we will need a standing line or a vertical line curving up. Let's do it. From the top, draw a standing line curving up like this. Let's do it one more time. Go up from the top, going down, curving up. Let's do it one more time. From the top, going down, curving up. That's how we make the uppercase letter J. Now, let's make our lowercase j. Remember that our uppercase j started here in the first line. Now, for our lowercase j, we're going to start in the middle line. So we're going to do it like that, touching the fourth line. We need to start in the middle line, going down, curving up like this, and a dot. Let's do it again in the middle line, going down and curving up, and a dot. One more time. In the middle line, we will start going down, curving up, and a dot. So this is our uppercase J and this is our lowercase j. That's it for today. So I want you to practice making the sound of the letter J and also give example of words that starts with the letter J. Also practice writing the uppercase and the lowercase j. Always remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.